How to fix Valorant not launching. I will be showing you a few solutions. First, you just have to go to Valorant, right click, and then go to Open File Location. And then here, you just have to click Riot Games, and then click Valorant, and then click Live, go to Valorant again, right click, go to Properties, and then go to compatibility and make sure that you tap this disable full screen optimization, click apply, and then okay. And then you just have to go to shooter game, tap binaries, and then this one. And then you have to scroll down and look for Valorant again. Right click, and then you just have to click properties, go to compatibility, and make sure that you check this one. Click apply, and then okay. And then step two, you just have to simply go to task manager, and then you just have to stop running any applications that can give problems to your Valorant games, or that could be the reason why there is any conflict when you play this Valorant game. So you just have to tap and then click end test. Let's just say this is just an example. Now you just have to close this task manager, and then step three, all you have to do is to just simply go back to start menu and then look for services, tap services, and all you have to do is simply look for VGC. You can type letter V, okay, tap this Y, and then you just have to right click, go to properties, and then you just have to click this automatic from manual to automatic, okay, and then click OK. Now, as you can see, you need to restart the service in order for this VGC to run. But of course, I already restarted that, and you can see that this VGC is running. Now you can now simply exit this folder. Step 3, you just have to go to control panel, click open. This time you have to uninstall and reinstall this Valorant or Riot Vanguard. So you just have to go to programs, click uninstall a program, and then you just have to search for Riot Vanguard here. Okay, and then right click, click on install, and wait for a couple of seconds or minutes as it is installing. And then once done, all you have to do is to simply go to the start menu, look for Valorant, and then click this as or run this as administrator, and then play the game. So that is our second solution. Our third solution is to simply allow Valorant through Windows Defender Firewall. So you just have to go to your Windows Defender Firewall, then click Allow Apps to Communicate through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings, click Allow Another App, click Browse, and then go to Local Disk C, go to Riot Games, go to Live, go to Valorant, and then click Open. Click Add. And then click Allow Another App again. Click Browse. And then you just have to go to Shooter Game, go to Binaries, click this one, go to Valorant, and then click Open. And then Add. Okay. And then last we have here is a click Allow Another App again, go to Browse, and then you just have to go to Local Disk. Now go to Program Files, scroll down till you see this Riot Vanguard, and then look for VGC, and then click Open, and then Add. Now, the last thing to do is to simply check that both are checked, and then click OK. So next is you just have to simply go to Start menu, and then you just have to look for a antivirus on your PC. And then you just have to allow this application and this game to run in your PC without any conflict or without this antivirus blocking this application or game. So to do that, you just have to go to the settings of your antivirus, and then you just have to click exception. Go to settings, go to exception, click browse, and all you have to do is to go to local disk and then look for program files, scroll down, and then look for Valorant. Click Riot Games first, and then look for Valorant. Okay, and then you just have to tap this box here. Click OK. Now click browse again, add exception rather, And then, yeah, click browse and then go to local disk again and then go to program files. Now you just have to scroll down and kind of look for Riot Vanguard and then click VGC and then click OK. As easy as that. So I really hope that after doing these three solutions, it will fix Valorant not launching. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.